Now in this video I will show you that how and where you can place the logo when you are designing a letterhead in Adobe Illustrator. First, you make sure that you have designed a logo in Adobe Illustrator. Like here you can see, if I zoom, so each and everything you can see, like the logo symbol and logo here. And if you resize like symbol even, so you can see it's like this. So everything you can see clear, neat and clean. So first make sure like you have Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator AI file for your logo. Then now you can place the logo. If some people place on the top left side, some on the top right side, and even some place in the center of the document. So in one of these places you can place the file. First I will select these, then I will go to edit and I can select copy, and then I will come back to my this document and then go to edit and paste. So now I can paste here this logo here. So if I want to leave some space from here, like you can see it's something like 8 point something in inches, the width of our document. So if we want to if we want like 0.5 inches from here, so if we want to leave that space, so we can create like this. Anywhere you can create, then you can see here like the information will appear here. So you can see like X value is 0.4134 inches. So I will type 0.5, it will come to 0.5. See, if we type here 1, so now 1. So what we will do, 0.5 we will leave from here. Okay, so like this we can make this space. So this logo, if you want, you can see here. And if you want like the logo should be in center, what you can do, like we have 2 layers now, you can see. So you can see in the layers panel here, like 2 layers, you can see both selected. So Control G, if I press, it will be like a group. You can see now it's a group. So if you go to window and if you search here like align panel, and if this is not appearing, like if this option not appearing, so you can click show options. So that should be aligned to artboard, and you can select like center. So this is now in the center of our document. Control Z you can use for the undo. So we will place the logo here, but if you want, as I told you, even you can place here. Some people even place here. So we will place the logo here. So this is the first thing, like you will place your logo. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video I will show you that how you can use your logo symbol as watermark in your letterhead. Thank you very much once again.